I don't want to spend all that money on attorney's fees. Do I really need to hire a lawyer to help me get divorced in North Carolina? My name is Molly Brazel, and I work as a divorce attorney at Fradin in Greensboro. Oftentimes, the divorce can be the most vulnerable time in a person's life, and yet it's also a time when you have to make some of the most important and critical decisions. This is why it can be advantageous hiring an attorney to help guide you through this process. Even though it may seem like all you need to do is fill out paperwork and hand it up to a judge, getting a divorce is actually a much more complex process and can often be confusing. While it's possible to get a divorce in North Carolina without an attorney, the system really is designed to work with lawyers. So, like it or not, you really will be in better hands working with an experienced family law attorney. The first step in filing for divorce in North Carolina is to ensure that you've met the requirements, including the period of legal separation and the residency requirement. If you've satisfied all of the requirements, then the next step is filing several documents with the clerk of court. It's important to keep in mind that there are several claims that you must raise when filing for divorce, or you waive them permanently. These include equitable distribution and spousal support. While you don't need the consent of your spouse to file for divorce, it's very important that you make sure they are properly served. Your spouse will need to be served with a copy of the summons as well as a copy of the complaint. There are several methods of service under Rule 4, and these methods can get very tricky to execute. The most important thing to remember is that you cannot serve your spouse yourself with the requisite documents. While it is possible to file for divorce without an attorney, it is certainly in your best interest to at least consult with a family law attorney prior to filing. You sure would hate to realize 3 years down the road that you didn't actually get divorced. To ensure that your divorce is handled correctly, call Fradin today.